Hey guys, we're at our Benton location. This is our country store. And I've got something going on here I want you to see. It is wet. I'm talking about wet. There's the wetness. But I want you to see what Kenneth's doing. He's cutting with a Ventrac rough cut mower. Amazing piece of product. I want y'all to learn more about Ventrac and what Ventrac can do for you. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. I love my Toro Exmark mowers, but by God, they won't do this. Show me a smile, Kenneth. Ventrac. Learn more about them. Tubbs loves this kind of stuff. Y'all be safe out there. Keep America great. God bless America. Y'all come see us.